In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop-down menu in GoDaddy website. Let's start at your browser. First, head to Google. This just makes it easy to find the official site without typing a full URL. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and look for the official GoDaddy website result. Click through to open it. Once you're on the GoDaddy site, sign into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. If not, enter your login details to continue. After you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your account name. This opens a quick menu where you can access different parts of your account. From that menu, choose My Products. This is where all your domains, hosting, and website projects live. Find the website you want to work on, specifically the site using the website builder, and click it to open the site editor. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're selecting the correct one so you don't create a menu on the wrong project. Inside the editor, you'll see your site preview and an editing toolbar. Look toward the upper right corner for a plus icon. That plus sign is where you add new navigation items. Click the plus icon to open the options for adding to your site's menu. In the list of options, choose Drop-Down Menu. A drop-down, sometimes called a flyout menu, lets you group related pages under a single top-level label. This helps keep your navigation clean and gives visitors a clear path to the content they need. You'll be prompted to enter a menu title. This becomes the label visitors see in your site's navigation. Keep it short and descriptive. Think services, products, about, or resources. Aim for clarity over cleverness so people immediately understand what they'll find inside. If you're not sure yet, don't worry. You can rename it later. After you've typed your menu title, click Create Menu. The editor will add the new drop-down to your site's navigation bar. You'll see it appear with room to add items beneath it later. At this point, take a quick look at your site preview to confirm the new label appears in the right spot in your top navigation. If your theme automatically handles spacing, it should fit neatly. If your navigation was crowded, you may notice things realign to make room. That's it for creating the drop-down itself. You now have a clean, expandable menu ready to organize your related pages and links, improving both navigation and user experience across your site.